Let's check out what's inside in the solar powered LED motion light. So these are actually mega popular, and actually I can highly suggest them because not only they're very inexpensive, their light output is very nice, and the solar panel also is very nice with nice motion detection, and battery life also is actually fairly okay. So basically, if you follow the special link in the description, you'll be able to get for like basically a set of 4 of these for like $7 if you are like new user on Aliexpress. But again, the normal price is around $3 to $4 depending on where you purchase. So again, follow the link if you actually want to get a really decent deal on these. For this price, I think they're absolutely fantastic. So again, to take them apart, we simply have like one screw over here. By the way, in the listing they say they are like totally waterproof, but that's actually not the case. So if you want to make them totally waterproof, you can actually do that fairly easily. But again, I wouldn't like put these in place where a lot of rain essentially get on them. So by default, so if I take it apart, as you see, this is essentially what we actually get inside. So we actually have a battery cell over here. So basically on the battery cell there are no markings how like huge it is. But again, from my experience, I have several of these lights. Basically it actually lasts like fairly decent amount of time. And we have the panel basically mounted over here. So again, as you see, the construction is actually very simple. So there isn't actually much over here for these lights. So the only problem for this light essentially is basically in this place. So over here, basically in this basically where the like panel gets mounted, there is a tiny gap basically left. So I really do not know why they couldn't like waterproof this properly. So again, if you want to waterproof them properly, simply pop this out. You see it's like one screw and simply fill these tiny holes with caulk, so or some kind of filler, basically waterproof. So again, then these should be like totally waterproof and you won't really have any problems. Again, simply this area basically open it up and seal it. And also the same for basically on the joints over here as well. So these parts on the panel as well. So they have been basically very lazy, and basically so this wouldn't really cost them anything to make them waterproof. So again, this probably is the most common cause why these fail, because as you can see, even though the rest of the body is like totally in one piece, there is no way water can actually get inside. But again, they have like skimmed like so tiny few pennies basically, so, and haven't filled basically these holes properly inside. So again, it's very lazy essentially what they have done. But again, so inside there, as you can see, not much inside. So, and again, overall, even though I have no idea how big the battery is, still I have multiple of these lights, I've used them for some time, and they can easily last, basically a very good amount of time. So I do not really have complaints about the runtime. So, but again, they're waterproof. So again, I'll be doing this on these lights as well. So I simply take like a sealer and fill in these gaps. Again, I know a lot of people basically where these have stopped failing because simply water has got inside in them. So, and that is probably the only problem with these lights really. So apart from that, the brightness is excellent, I would say, actually on these. So, and also the solar panel is actually like really decent on these. So let me try to fool it. Okay, so you see basically, the solar brightness, it's actually really good. So from this panel, so, and again, the solar panel is very nice. So I can still highly suggest them. So if you like spend 1 minute to seal them properly, then they're really 10 out of 10. Again, check the link in the description, that will lead you to the cheapest place where you can get them. For this price, I think they're absolutely insane. Anyway, good luck.